Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see grade 5 social science chapter 1 our material heritage. Okay. First of all, you have to learn certain new words in this lesson. The first new word is ancient. Ancient is nothing but something which has existed a long time ago. Observatory. It is a place meant for observing the stars, planets and weather. India has a famous observatory called Jantar Mantar, which is at Jaipur. It is the largest observatory in the world. The third new word is artifacts. A man-made thing such as a tool or a piece of art. The next new word is armory. It is a place which has a collection of different weapons. The next new word is miniature. Miniature is nothing but something at a very reduced size, or scale, which is at very small size. Sculpture. A work of art made by carving stones, metal, wood into ornaments or statues. First of all, you have to know what is heritage. Something that is passed down from one generation to another generation. We have beautiful monuments, traditions and historical artifacts. It may be books, paintings or whatever, it may be dress. Okay. We learn about people who lived long ago, traditions that we follow even now, and the way in which our society has developed. All these things make our heritage. Heritage is divided into two different forms: material heritage and non-material heritage. Under material heritage, monuments, paintings, we can include these things. Under non-material heritage, we can include dance, stories, music, songs and so on. Okay. The first monument is Taj Mahal. You people know that Taj Mahal is a famous monument, right? It is at Agra. It is declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The abbreviation of UNESCO is, it is actually an organization, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Okay. Taj Mahal means crown palace. It is located on the banks of river Yamuna in Agra. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It was built in 17th century and it was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Do you know what are the attractions of Taj? The large white marble and the dome are the main attractions of the Taj. It has 4 minarets at the 4 corners, right? More than 1,000 artisans and craftsmen worked on the architecture of Taj Mahal. Okay. The next monument is Nalanda University. Nalanda University was built about 1500 years ago. It is an ancient center for learning located near Patna in Bihar. This residential university later became a flourishing center for Buddhist learning. It used to attract students and philosophers from all over the world. It had a huge library called Mountain of Truth. This library stored thousands of books on astronomy, mathematics and philosophy. Your next topic is Konark Temple. Konark Temple is also called Sun Temple. Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha is a beautiful stone temple built in the form of chariot of the sun god. It is made of sandstone and it has 12 pairs of wheels and 7 horses. The spokes of the wheels are carved as sundials and it can tell the time of the day. There are 2 giant lions guard the entrance gate. Okay. The next is famous Golconda Fort. This is the image of Golconda Fort. Okay. The fort of Golconda is situated near Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh. It was built in 13th century and it's located on a hill. It has a 10-kilometer long thick outer wall. There are a number of cannons, gateways and royal rooms. The most interesting feature of this fort is it is built in such a way when the king would clap, the sound can be heard at the fort's main gate. This was of great use at the time of an attack or outside threat. The fort consists of a palace, parade ground, mosque, armory and other structures. The main gate of the fort is called Fatak Darwaza. It is also called as Gate of Victory. This gate has steel spikes on it to protect the fort from elephant attacks during wartime. Okay. The next is the very famous Mysore Palace. I think you people may have visited this famous monument, right? Mysore Palace is situated in Mysore, Karnataka. This famous palace was built in the 14th century and it has been broken and rebuilt many times. by many kings. The palace is a blend of Hindu, Muslim, and Western architecture. It is built from stone and it has three-storied with deep pink marble domes and a tower. The palace has carved rooms, a royal wedding hall, temples, public court, armory. The next monument is Humayun's tomb. Humayun was Mughal king and he is also father of famous emperor Akbar. After the death of Humayun, his wife Haji Begum started the construction work of this tomb in 16th century in Delhi. A Persian architect was specially invited from Afghanistan to design the structure of this tomb. This tomb is built with a red sandstone in the middle of a square garden. The garden is Cherba Garden. It has some water channels running at its center. It is one of the most famous garden tombs in India. Several rulers of the Mughal kingdom are buried in this tomb. Humayun's tomb is now a World Heritage Site. Yeah. So, you have learned something in this video is about some famous monuments in India. First question, you have to answer the following question. First question is, what does Taj Mahal mean? Yes. Second question, name the library in Nalanda University. Third question, where is Sun Temple located? Fourth question, Mysore Palace is a blend of dash, dash and dash architecture. Fifth question, write few points about Humayun's tomb. For this, you have to refer your content book page number 14. Thanks for watching the video. The rest half of the lesson will be continued in video 2.